Welcome to an oven cake and cookies. Today I am making a traditional style crispy Atta Khaja, flaky layered, perfectly sweet and delicious with tea. In a bowl take 1 cup atta, 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, half teaspoon cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Add 2 tablespoon ghee and mix well. Pour 1/3 cup water and make a soft dough. Rub a little ghee and keep aside for 10 minutes. For the sugar syrup, take half cup sugar, half cup water and a pinch of saffron. Let it boil and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until slightly sticky. Keep aside. Now mix 3 tablespoon atta with 1 tablespoon ghee to make the flour ghee paste. Now divide the dough into small portions. Let the dough rest for better texture. And roll each one. Spread the ghee flour mixture. Now make light cut marks. And fold as shown. Cut marks help the layers open beautifully. Roll gently to shape the khaja. Heat oil on medium heat and fry the khaja for 5 to 6 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Fry only on medium heat for perfect layers. Dip each one in warm sugar syrup. Dip khaja in warm, not hot syrup for shine. Atta gives fiber compared to Maida. Sesame seeds support bone health. Ghee improves digestion when used in small amounts. Homemade sweets are always cleaner and safer. Add pistachios on top and let it set. Atta Khaja is inspired by classic layered mithai. Ghee creates natural flakiness. Sesame seeds add a nutty aroma. Khaja stays crispy longer than regular sweets. Your crispy Atta Khaja is ready. Flaky, sweet and melt in mouth. Tell me which traditional sweet you want next on Enoven cake and cookies.